How to recover your Apple ID without access to recovery phone. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is go to appleid.apple.com in a browser, which is going to be the official Apple ID account page. Then you want to simply go ahead and tap on your forgot ID or forgot Apple ID or password tab. Once you simply go ahead and select it, you can simply go ahead and choose can't use any of these options and click on continue. Once you simply go ahead and do that, you can actually go ahead and use your email in order to go ahead and verify your identity. But if you even don't have email, you can simply go ahead and click on no longer have access to these. And once you've done that, it is going to go ahead and ask you to help verify your identity. So simply go ahead and enter your first name, last name, your date of birth. They're also going to ask you a verification ID. So you can simply go ahead and enter your government ID, and they'll simply go ahead and approve it, and they'll let you reset your password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.